Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 17, 2024. 5-star Sudoku. 8th row and 9th row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 9th row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. 5 will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 9th row and 8th row we have 5. Column D also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column A, then column B, column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 9th row, 7th row, column A, we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 7th row, column A, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 9th row, 7th row, column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 8th row, column F, we have 9 and 3. So 9 and 3 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then 8th grade, only one number remaining. 2 is confirmed here. 9th grade and 7th grade, remaining numbers we will confirm later. 3rd row and 2nd grade, we have 8 and 5. So 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in any one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column F, only one number remaining. 3 is confirmed here. Column D and first row, we have pair numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come any one of these cells. 3rd row we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 2nd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. It will come any one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column A, column B, we have pair numbers 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 6. First row and 9th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 3rd row, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 9, 7. Column H, column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. It will come any one of these cells. We confirm later. First row, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column I, we have 1. So 1 can't come this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. Column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. First row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 7th grade, we can confirm 4 also here. First row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Ninth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then ninth grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 9, it will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. The ninth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 3. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th grade, only one numbers remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 4th row and 5th row, we have 2. Column I also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column G, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 4th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then first row, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. First grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. Column A, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 9. 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 6. 5th row, we have 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 6th grade, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. Column B, we get 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. 4th row, we have 1. 7 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 5th grade and column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. 4th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 4th row, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 4th grade and 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. Column A, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column A, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.